If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
Please follow us on Facebook. The Apple Watch Series 3 is a sleek accessory that's a must-have if you are all about staying fit. This watch features an enhanced heart rate app and a built-in altimeter. It also carries and listens to your favorite songs on your wrist. It is equipped with Siri. This smartwatch makes being active and staying connected enjoyable. The ultimate sports watch. You can challenge yourself to explore new heights and keep track of your feats with the GPS and altimeter. The Apple Watch Series 3 is also swimproof and can be worn in the pool or out in the ocean. Track the progress of your workouts from casual jogs and intense cycle rides to everything. Intelligent activity tracker. It keeps tabs on how active you are each day with the watch's 3 activity rings. Smart coaching brings you personalized process updates in the mornings and suggestions on how to close your rings in the evening to help you stay motivated. Share your activity log with friends to compete with them and cheer them on. The Apple Watch celebrates each milestone with you. Powerful health tool. Keeps tabs on your heart rate when you are walking, resting, or working out. The watch also packs a breathe app which guides you through a series of deep breaths when you are stressed. There are also third-party health apps which are designed to help you drink more water, improve your sleep, and to be a healthier version of yourself. The health app on iPhone is your one-stop app for all your health and fitness data. All-day assistant. It sends messages, make calls, get meeting invitations, and keep tabs on your messages from your wrist. Customize your watch's face with information you want to keep at a glance, photos, or even apps which you want quick access to. Platform and storage features. Operating system OS 4. Compatible operating system iOS 10 and above. Number of cores is dual core. The name of the processor is S3. Internal memory of this watch is 8 GB and it is a water resistant with a depth up to 50 meters. Time taken for charge is 90 minutes and battery life is up to 18 hours. The Apple Watch Series 3 is a sleek accessory that's a must-have if you are all about staying fit. This watch features an enhanced heart rate app and a built-in altimeter. It also carries and
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
please follow us on Facebook.